Okay, so for this one, we are just going to be using a graphite pencil, okay, this as ebony Prismacolor. So once again, we start with the background, but we got to start lightly with this one. So I'm just kind of using the side here. You've got to keep it close together. All right, so then you can take your finger. I would probably recommend using the tissue for this and just do circular motions around. So it's pretty light, almost just looks like the paper is dirty. You know the next step. Make your circle. All right, so then I'm going to make my little bean shape again. All right, so now we're gonna practice our shading skills. So I am gonna start dark. And then as I start going further down, I am going to not press as hard. And right now it kind of looks like a circle with stripes on it, but we will take care of blending that together. But it's very important that you keep your pencil close together. We shouldn't be shading like this. That's not going to work well. Okay. And as I get further down, I'm gonna come back here, bridge that color a little bit more. Okay, so we're starting to have a light to dark transition here. And then we can start by kind of smoothing it out, blending it out a little bit. With the other colors here, you're gonna have to do this multiple times. So that kind of wiped a lot of that away, which means I need to go over it again. So I'm gonna keep blending this out. Okay, so now I'm still working on kind of getting rid of some of this line texture here. So I'm changing the pressure of my pencil. But now I'm actually gonna take my eraser to get rid of some of that darkness and create a little bit more of that highlight. Then I can take my finger and kind of blend back down. All right, so I'm gonna do that same kind of thing up here where the little lima bean was. I'm gonna clean this up. But still take the eraser, give it a little bit of that highlight there. And then we're gonna create that little drop shadow around. So I'm gonna emphasize this dark line a little bit more. And then I'm going to just make a little darkened shadow around it like that, okay? And then as you continue this, create additional ones to kind of make it look like there are the actual water drops around it. So create a couple more and then do that same type of shading around.